Okay, so as my nail polish is drying, so I just applied this Ulta Cherry Taffeta nail polish. Like literally it's beautiful, and I just picked this up just because it's matching my top today I'm wearing, and like literally I just thought I'll do a quick intro while this is drying. So hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mezabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box. So yeah, as by the title, you all know that it's a makeup tutorial. So yeah, it's a very simple spring summer everyday makeup tutorial for today. So yeah, I am just going out to do my normal grocery shopping, and like it's a shopping day, so like I thought I'll get ready and I should film a video while I'm getting it ready. So is in my last video, like I think my favorites video, I mentioned some products which I like. So today I'm going to use these products so you all can see how it applies, and my review too. So yeah, today I'm going to use some of my current favorite products, and like literally I will not be applying any lashes today. So this is my everyday go-to makeup tutorial without lashes. And first I'm going to do my brows. As always, I'm going to use this professional eyebrow pencil by Rimmel. It comes with a brush here, and this is in the shade dark brown, 00 dark brown. Okay, I've done the brows, and like literally it looks a bit weird. Like I think it's not perfect. I don't know. It's me, the mirror, or the camera. I don't know. So I'm going to just like what you call, just clean under the brow area, and like literally this product is by L'Oreal True Match Concealer. Literally very lightweight, with my favorite BH Cosmetic 102 concealer brush. Okay, now I'm going to do the face makeup. So first I'm going to apply this Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. I already moisturized my face this morning, so just going to apply. This product is really good. It blurs the pores, and like it makes my foundation looks literally flawless. So I like it, and like the foundation doesn't crease and it lasts longer too. And I'm going to use my favorite brush by BH Cosmetic 116. Okay, now I'm going to apply the same True Match Concealer by L'Oreal. And I'm using this Buffer brush by Zoeva, and this one is in number 142. This is just a normal concealer buffer brush. Okay, so I'm going to just set this concealer up with this Ofra Cosmetics banana powder, and with this BH Cosmetic powder brush. This is not a powder brush, I think it's a bronzer brush I'm using is a powder brush. This is number 3. I'm just setting the areas I have applied the concealer, just this area. And like this foundation doesn't needs to be set, so like I'm going to just leave it like this. Okay, now I'm going to just apply a little bit of blush, and like literally I think I'm going to just apply a blush today, no bronzer. So I'm going to use this Tarte blush, and this one is First Class. Literally very beautiful shade for spring summer. And like I'm going to use this normal blush brush. Okay, so now I'm going to just apply a little bit of highlighter and using this BH Cosmetic number 4 brush. I don't know, this is a powder brush I'm going to use as a highlighter, but like I think you should apply powder under your eye area with this brush. I don't know, like I'm always using for highlighter. So I'm going to use this. Let me show you the product. So this is Basic Beauty's jelly highlighter. Literally beautiful highlighter. I love it so much since I got in my Bella box. This one is Spring Break in the shade. Beautiful shade. Okay, now as my face makeup is done, I will quickly set this up. So this is Supreme Hold Finishing Spray by Makeup Revolution. I have used this so many times and literally a little bit of the product is left. So I'm going to finish this up today so that I can open a new one. I always love to apply lots of setting spray, and my camera is this side. Like literally I'm using my Note 20 to film. Like literally I like it, like it's beautiful. And if you are seeing my background, like literally I have changed it again, and I'm going to share it later in my upcoming videos. Like literally I have bought some things, like it's on the way, it's coming. So like I will arrange it up, then I'm going to share. So yeah, okay, now I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm not going to like apply any eyeshadows today. I'm just going to apply this liner by Mode eye pencil in the color black. Like literally this is literally so cheap in Woolworths, and like literally works so well. So I'm going to just line the upper part and the lower part. Just like this, and I'm going to just smudge a bit. So I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is 230 pencil brush by Zoom. So this is 230 pencil brush by Zoeva. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. I'm not going to apply any extra product. So this is it, and I'm going to do this, then I'll be right back. So now I'm going to just apply some mascara. This is by L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Extra Black Mascara. Like literally so much to read. So this is how it looks. This is really good and I really like it. So let's apply. You can see. Like it makes my eyelash look so big. Okay, look at it, like looks so big. I like it. I'm definitely going to recommend you girls trying this like mascara. I always do few coats to get a perfect dark lash. So can do as you like. Okay, so like literally I just lined my lips. My camera wasn't recording, and like literally I have just used this Maybelline's liner. Like literally my camera. Gosh. Okay, now I'm going to just apply this velvet lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, I think. I think so. Like this is by Revolution Pro. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is it. Like I think it looks a bit dark on the camera, but it's literally beautiful. And yeah, this is it. And like I'm going to just apply a little bit of highlighter, I think, under the brow area and also to the inner corner of my eyes, I think. So I'm going to use the same Basic Beauty highlighter. So I'm just going to use this 238 Precise Shader Brush by Zoeva. This here. So my makeup is done. Like literally it's very simple. You all have seen. So like literally I don't apply lashes all the time, but sometimes I do. So if you want to apply lashes, it will look literally pretty on this look. So like literally it's very simple. So and all the time I go out, I always wear this type of makeup, but the only thing I change is the lip color. So like sometimes I apply gloss or even more lighter shade lipstick, and like mostly it's nude or pinkish nude or peach, these types of shade I always apply. And like any lip color will look good on this makeup look. So like literally it's beautiful and very soft kind of look for spring summer. Okay, so like if you want to see more of these types of videos, like makeup tutorial videos, room tour videos, and other videos which I post here on my channel, like literally I did change a bit. You can see like my hair color, it's a bit changed. So like I have applied a black on top of the last color I did. I was applying to half part because I didn't like the red type of color which came up this part. So I did apply a black to cover that up. But like then when I was applying to this part, like I just applied a bit this on this part too. So like I just brushed it on. So after washing 2 times, like the color came out, like it wasn't permanent color black, so like it came out a bit, and like the color is literally very pretty now. So I literally like this color. It's not too dark, and like it's very soft brown, like I don't know, rose brown, or I don't know how to explain, but like a company has contacted me that they are sending me some hair color, so I chose a color and I'm going to color my hair again in upcoming videos. So like I think they've seen my hair coloring video, so they want me to use their product to color my hair, so like they are sending me. So yesterday I just DM them like so like maybe it will arrive soon. So it's an Australian company. I think I've got no idea. Like I haven't searched a lot about it, but like let's see how their color is. And like literally the color I chose, I think will be really good. It's a permanent color, I think. So like let's see. I'm going to color and I'm going to share with you all here on my channel. So do subscribe if you want to see more videos. And yeah, follow me around social media, links are below in the description box. And like I did lot of changes in this room, like literally I love the setup now. So I hope you will like it too once I will share. So yeah, I'm going to share it with you all in coming up videos, because like I'm going to add a little bit more pieces here. Like literally this room is full now. I'm not going to add any more furniture here, like literally no more furniture. So I have bought some other stuffs which I'm going to share later. You all have a great day. Do enjoy yourself. I will catch you all later in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.